I ain't never taking breaks. I've been always on a grind. Turn my pennies into ones, tell my dollars turn to fives. They was never ever with me, I could see it in their eyes. All a nigga got is his word, but they still be telling lies. Tell me, do they know my name? Was never tripping for the fame. Am I riding in my lane? These Jersey rappers are the same, yeah. Tell me, do they know my name, yeah? And is you riding with the gang, yeah? Now will my soul come bust your brain, yeah? Bitch, I'm harder than the pain. On the garden, I'm a ring, yeah. Nigga, I've been the people's champ before I got my belt. Been a star since kindergarten, now I'm thinking about my wealth. I ain't thinking about another bitch that be bad for my health. And I don't need a nigga help, do it all by myself. These niggas forgetful, I done lost respect for them niggas that was hating on me, yeah. Now what you upset for? This goes for them niggas that was playing but they waiting on me, yeah. But it's cool, bitch, cause I'm doing fine with a new bitch and we sippin' wine, yeah. And I'm ruthless and I'm not even trying. I'm the truth, bitch, better stand in line. Nigga, I've been the people's champ before I got my belt. Been a star since kindergarten, now I'm thinking about my wealth.